Hello everyone, welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today is a very simple one. All I'm going to do is show you how to install a tow hook on your car. I personally got a BMW E90 2006, however, I think many cars have a tow hook, especially sporty ones. BMWs I've seen, even SUVs having tow hooks, all you gotta do is know where to look. So it's very simple. There's a little square plastic piece that is right there on my car, and you'll find it very easily because other than your parking sensors, if you have those, there's not really much back here. There's one on the front as well, which you can use for not only a tow hook, but also for your license plate. I did not want to drill into my car, and so you can see there is a square right here to which I have installed this license plate on the front because I never break the law and I need a front plate. So to pop that bad boy open, you're going to need some sort of pry tool. I am going to use this screwdriver. And if you care more about your paint, you probably shouldn't do this, but as you can see, my drift car has already been a little banged up, so I'm just going to jam it in there and open up. All you have to do is stick it in there and pull it out like that. Mine might be a little looser, but it's simply that easy. It just clicked into place. Next up, you got to locate your tow hook. I bought this one aftermarket. However, in these BMWs, they are in the trunk back here. You might have to look around or remove some plastic pieces. However, I know that they do come with the car. And from here, it's as simple as screwing it in. Mine is a little rusty, so it'll take some elbow grease, but it goes in there pretty sturdy and should not come out when you're trying to tow your car. And there it is. If you're drifting or tracking your car, you're going to need this, likely front and rear, so they can pull your car out if something happens. And that's it. Same thing with the front. However, one difference with the BMW is that this plastic piece stays on here. As you can see, there is plastic holding it up, and so it just dangles there. But in the front of the car, that thing does not exist. And so I'm not 100% sure if it never existed or if it just broke off, but that is one thing to keep note of, so do not lose that. So another simple video today on how to install the tow hook. And if you enjoyed these short little 2-Minute Tuesdays, please leave a comment, share, and subscribe, and check out some of our other videos. And in that case, I will see you in the next one.